I know the screen's kind of small, but it's the best way to do it. So just bear with me and you guys will see me trade this live for a minute. So you can see this is just a combine. I'm using 5 accounts, 550K accounts. I'm using one as the leader, and then the others are following. So they're all copy trading each other. You can see so far I'm up 2,797.50, 100% win ratio, and I need 4,500 to complete today, give or take. I mean, I could stop now because it's using that 50% rule, but I'll trade it a little bit more because basically it's going to take 3 days. So unless you were able to magically do 4,500 exactly, it's 3 days. All right, here's a bounce. Waiting for a good setup. Apple bounced off a 247.30. This just popped on SPY up to the 9 and pulled back. I should have got it when it touched that 9. That's okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
Add it in.
Order filled.
Like it, I'll take a little more. Oh, did you guys see that? Even though I was up when I sold it, it must have lost money because you see how my win rate just went down, even though that was a profitable trade.
It wicks super fast. That's why, coach.
Yep,
It
yep,
was
yep,
a very
yep, absolutely. So it happens. Where are we at? 2,894. I want to get to about, I guess, 4,000 for the day. I don't know. I could do three 3,000s for 50% consistency rule. I don't know. It's the only problem with these prop firms because I'd like to do just crank this thing, make like 60 grand today.
Order filled.
Bleeding a little bit more here.
Order filled.
So close. Just sitting here.
Feedback, coach. I just love that we could hear you trade. I love those.
Yeah, it's kind of neat, right?
Yeah, it gives you an audible, you know.
Yep, you can hear exactly when I get in, and obviously you guys can see it, but just waiting for this to pull a little bit more. There it goes.
If this
Order
breaks
filled.
595, isn't it lights out, coach?
Well, yeah, but that's it. That's all I can trade for the day. I'm done. I just made $20,000 for the day, and I'm done. It's 951 off that prop firm. That is a 87.5% win rate. Total lots traded on each account was 140 contracts that I traded, which will probably, if you guys were watching their stuff, that'll put me on their leaderboard for the day, by the way. And now, back to our regularly scheduled program.